สวัสดีครับ Welcome to my this channel. You know who I am. I'm Jim. And today we make another pad thai. Last time we did it with shrimp, but today we will make it with chicken. Everything is exactly the same except to cook the meat. Let's get started. Start with the tofu. Alright? You quarter it into 4 pieces. We need only 1/4. Cut it half in long way. Right? Cut it 2 times. Make it equal. Hold it and then take a knife out. Cut again. Hold it and then take a knife out. And then you just flip it, right? 2 times. Dice it as Rubik cubes. And then put into the bowl. Shallot. Cut it half first. And then slice it thin. Together with the tofu. And this one is pickle, or you can use sweet radish. It's up to you. Pickle mixed vegetable. Put it together. 3 things because we cook it first. Cook it together. Right, set aside. What else? Chive, garlic chive. If you don't have, you can use spring onions. It's okay. All right. Today I will make it half like this. I will keep the stem here, you know, for the final eating. And then around 1 to 1.5 inches. Make it equal. All right, and then put it together with the, what is it? Bean sprout, I'm sorry.
Stupid!
Right? Okay, next one, make the sauce. We need 1.5 tablespoons of palm sugar. Half a tablespoon of tamarind paste. Yes. And then 1.5 tablespoons of fish sauce. And then mix it well. Crush it and then you mix it well to dissolve it. Yes, mix it well like this. All right. You're welcome to try. Sweet, sour, and then salty. Okay. Talk about the noodles. If you remember, right? Normally for Thai people, we got like a, what we call a semi-dry. If you got semi-dry, like a rubber, you have to soak it in normal water at least 15 to 20 minutes before you cook. But if you get a dry one, that you can break it, right? That's one at least 1 hour. Don't put it straight. Don't put it straight. It won't cook, trust me. And then today with the chicken and 1 egg. Let's start cooking. Alright, warm up the oil. Today I use around 3 tablespoons of oil. But if you cook with the shrimps, maybe 1 or 2 is okay because you have to cook chicken, right? Around 15 seconds. And then you put firm tofu, shallot, and pickles in. Yes, and keep moving. Be careful. Keep cooking until the shallot a little bit clear. Around 20 seconds. Yes. Keep moving. Okay. You can get the smell. And then you put chicken in. Yes, and keep moving. Keep cooking until the chicken cooks. Keep cooking, keep cooking. If you remember, right? When you cook with the shrimp, you have to put it together with the noodles. Because shrimp cook very fast. Chicken takes time to cook. Alright? Okay, things should be okay now. Cut one chicken, see inside. Okay. And then remember, set everything aside like this. And then you put egg in. Break the yolk and then roll the pan. Expand the egg. Don't touch it. We want to have pieces of egg, not scrambled. Alright? Cool. Wait until it's almost cooked. Leave it there. Okay, and then you put noodles in. Scratch the egg, don't cut the noodles, alright? Scratch all the egg first, otherwise it's burned. And then scoop, push, scoop, push, scoop, push, alright? To dry. Around 2 tablespoons of water. Yes. Use the heat from the water, help you to cook the noodles. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Use the corner, spread the noodles out. Scoop, and then spread it out. Scoop, and then spread it out. Alright? Keep cooking until the noodles soft and clear. Okay? Try to scoop it fast. Nearly there. See, it's getting softer and softer. A little bit more. It takes time, guys, and a lot of practicing. All right? For you, easier, try it. Not too soft, not too hard. Very good. And then, all the sauce in. And sweet paprika. It's magic. It just come out. Cool. Thai people, we use chili flakes. Alright, scoop, spin the noodle to make the color even. Beautiful. Alright, and then veggies. Scoop it. Make it around 10 seconds. Don't cook it too long. Otherwise, water will come out from the veggies and soak your noodles. That's it. All right. This time, I'll try something else. I'll try to make it pretty. Yeah, like a spaghetti. Oops. Use the fork. And then the rest outside. On the top. quite messy. Yeah, should be okay. And then the chive at the side, and then lamb. Yes. Okay. Pad Thai with chicken. Normally, Thai people, we have it with chili flake and peanut. But if you are allergic or it's too spicy, skip it, all right? I won't try it today because Radish, she wants to eat it. Thank you for watching. See you next time and wish you were here.